Hello, this is my channel Java Take It Easy. Today I am starting with array. Array is nothing but a container which can store variables of same type, like container in our kitchen area. Every container store a different part of thing. One can store biscuits, one can store a chili powder, and so on. Likewise, array is there. And this is the indexes. We can indexing the array using the 1 2 3 4 indexes. Likewise, and these are the value stored in an array. That 14 value is stored in an index number first, 5 value is stored in the index 2. Likewise, and then how to declare an array. An array is declared just like we declare a variable of desired type. Just include this is brackets after the data type. This is the example, int bracket array name. Like the way you can declare the array, simply this is the second way, int array name. You can declare here the name of array as well. Then bracket, then end it with semicolon, and third type is int bracket array name, again the brackets, end it with semicolon. So these are the three types with which we can declare the array. Okay, now how to instantiate an array. Instantiating an array means declaration does not create an array. As we know, it is just create a variable that can hold your address, that is the base address of array. So instantiating is very important. For example, int score, we have created the array name score which stored the value up to 10. Likewise 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and this is instantiating of array. Thank you.